We chose ElevenLabs specifically because out of all the voice agent options out there, we found it was the most human-like, it was the most perceptive and intuitive, and going back to what we weren't willing to compromise, which is that human interaction or human-like interaction with our customers. I'm Daryl Chair. I'm the VP of Supply and Operations at Zen Educate. We are a two-sided marketplace that helps educators find work in schools in the UK and the US. We've heard from customers and seen from our data that teachers and TAs have the headspace to really go through these processes in the evenings and in the weekends, not 4 till 5 p.m. when they're rushing back from school. They can then interact with the agent out of hours that we can then pick up first thing in the morning and move that very quickly. The ElevenLabs agent was quite good at tapping into our data systems and reviewing that context and making that conversation a lot more personalized. We chose ElevenLabs specifically because out of all the voice agent options out there, we found it was the most human-like, it was the most perceptive and intuitive. When a customer is going through a job search, they want that real-time interaction, so that was a part of the onboarding experience we weren't willing to compromise on. We found the quality of the voice agent to be very human-like, and what's important for us is lower latency because we don't want the delays. The second is the support we've received has been very good from the team, and that's allowed us to move quite quickly with both testing, deploying, and then reviewing and iterating on our agent. From kickoff to the first working prototype was about 4 to 6 weeks, and then into production was another 2 weeks after that. The metrics that mattered the most to us in implementing this agent is the feedback from our customers. They have found it very useful, they would use it again, and they would recommend it to others to use as well. In the future, we see a ton of other use cases with the voice AI agent, other areas of the customer journey with Zen and how we can have an agent work alongside some of our team, and other areas such as trainings and offerings that we can give to our educators.